Good morning.
Morning.
So we're off to Markham today, and we got it figured out thanks to Facebook friends and the lady who helped at the TTC customer service thing.
Yes.
So, long story short, it's gonna cost $7 to get there.
Yeah.
And then $7 back. Yeah. Not the $12 that was originally thought. So yay. And it's windy. Windy, and it's spinning a little bit. So it's a great day.
And there's too many kids in our building. Too many. This time of day, it's like 17 elevators full of kids. And then they squish like 20 of them in the elevator, which is against the law.
So we're in Markham now.
We made it to Markham.
And Cheryl is very, very impressed with the way the stores look.
I love it. It's so like, they're so cute. It reminds me of St. Jacob's, actually. Quaint.
It's true?
Quaint is what I'm looking for. All
Yeah?
the stores, even the Starbucks and the Pizza are like
You're happy?
cute. Yeah. I am happy.
Okay, here, I'll show you. There's that thing. There. I'm shaking like a leaf because it's cold. I think the most important thing is that there's a Dairy Queen right there. Oh, that's too cold for Dairy Queen. We're gonna have to wait like 20 minutes. Okay, so we found out that I have mild carpal tunnel, and Cheryl
This is where the zombies are coming very soon.
yeah, and Cheryl needs to find a washroom, and we passed up like 2 perfectly fine washrooms before, and she was like, "Oh, I'll go in that one. It's scary."
There were
And
no
now,
lights.
and now all the washrooms that we've come across have been locked.
Sucks. My own fault.
No, you're gonna have to wait until we get home.
No way. That's not
Because we don't find any washrooms. We'll try that one. Nerds. So yeah, moderate carpal tunnel syndrome. So I'm not sure what that means. Hopefully it means that I don't have to have surgery done on my arm, because that would not be fun. But they said that the doctor who I just saw said that I should probably call because she'll have the test results in a couple of days, and then at that point I'll be able to figure out what is going to happen or what steps I should take or whatever. So who knows?
That one had lights.
So was it candlelit? Oh well. Very cool. Rain outside.
Of course, that's what you do when it's raining. You get DQ when it's raining.
Yeah. Okay. Don't judge. You do it too. Okay. It's raining.
A lot.
Well, okay, the plus side is that we're so close to home that it's not really going to matter all that much.
We're just gonna run.
Yeah, pretty much. Here, we'll show you. Look at all the rain. That's raining. Raining. Where's rain? Oh my god. So, not even going to bother with that.
Nope. Everything is wet. Everything is wet.
Okay.
Okay. Phone damage.
Huh? No, well, it'll be okay. It'll be fine. Because my hand is covering up the other side.
Okay.
So it's really, it's like cold wet. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Like, I don't know if you can tell from the street. Oh, and right there.
Not that I'm a jerk. I don't
There you go.
serious actually.
Oh my gosh. Bye, people.
Bye. I don't think you understand how
How
wet
wet it is?
we are right now.
And okay, so my hat.
Wait, shh, wait. That's our wet pants.
My hat flew off. I had to chase after it.
I was trying not to laugh, but it was kind of funny. I'm not.
It's like, oh!
Yeah, my pants don't like water very much.
But basically, it's like when you're a kid and it's raining outside for recess, and you just get soaking wet.
Yeah,
Basically,
that's what it is right now. Except we're adults now, and it's not fun anymore.
yes, it is. It's just as fun.
Okay, it's a little fun, but now I have to go and dry off because I have to go to work in an hour. Okay, here's the deal. We're home. We ate dinner. I'm home. We ate dinner. It's raining. It's cold still. I'm still freezing. Chuck took off my socks, which normally is very nice, but tonight I'm very cold now. And we're tired, and we have to get up. New scenery tomorrow. Well, it's not new scenery, but we just haven't filmed there in a while, so that's what's happening. Okay. Good night. See you tomorrow.